ask things like, what might I be missing here? And honestly, that one shift alone changes the level of trust. They also start naming things earlier, not in a big dramatic way, just more clearly. Tension, misalignment, uncertainty. They say it out loud before those things turn into bigger problems. And doing that saves the team a lot of cleanup later. You'll also notice that their words and their actions line up more. They don't just talk about values, they are their values. They exhibit their values and they use them when they make decisions. And suddenly, people stop guessing what really matters. And maybe the biggest shift of all is that they model reflection. They'll say things like, here's what I'm working on right now. Or some of them have said in the past, here's what I learned from that. I know that's a big one that I use when I'm leading others. And when leaders do that, it quietly gives everyone else permission to do the same. That's the real outcome, not louder leadership, just clear leadership. And clarity, that's what actually builds trust in a team.